Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you, or I am going to share with you how what I created. Okay, so this is for table decoration. Okay, so it can be like Christmas, or it's just like a daily. Okay, so um I have all this flower. I have a tutorial with that, and these leaves I do have as well, and the flower are the same and the leaves are the same. You can just adjust the sizes, and I'm going to show you how to make this centerpiece. Okay, so it is very beautiful. Yeah, and I will leave um the link, okay, into the flowers and the leaves, okay, into my description box, so you can check it out. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to make this middle part. Okay, let's get it started. Okay guys, so I'm going to measure this centerpiece. Okay, so you have an idea, okay, how big it is. Okay, so just the diameter. Okay, so 6 inches or 15.5 centimeter. Okay, so just you can adjust it if you want it bigger or if you want it smaller, so you can adjust all of it. Okay. Okay guys, so we are going to need our yarn. Okay, and with this one I'm going to use my 5.5 millimeter hook. Okay, and let's get started. Okay, so we are going to create our magic ring. Okay, then chain 3. Then we are going to work, okay, 20 double crochet into this ring. You can adjust with your hook as well guys. Okay, if you want it smaller, if you want it bigger, okay, you can adjust with your yarn as well. Okay, so we'll just keep that close a little bit. So we are going to make 20 double crochet. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, so we need 5 more. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so after that we are going to pull, and we are going to slip stitch into the third chain. Slip stitch into the third chain, and you can just pull that and close it. Okay, and then you can wave in that later. Okay, and the second row, okay, we are going to chain 3. Okay, and in the same space, okay, we are going to put, okay, so in the next space, sorry, in the next space, because it's here, so in the next space, okay, we are going to put 2 double crochet. We are going to increase, and then the next 2, the next 2, so 2 in every stitch, okay, and to finish the round. And you can just adjust it, okay, it depends on your tension as well. So if your tension is really loose, okay, you might adjust, you know, putting 1 double crochet in the next stitch, okay, 2 double crochet and then 1 double crochet and then 2 again, okay. So you just have to, plus please just be mindful, okay, the tension, and you know how, because we are needing our round, okay. So just be mindful that, okay, it's flat, so if there is any curve and stuff, you have to adjust it yourself. As I said, you know, you can alternate 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and then back to 2 double crochet again. Hang on. Okay, so we need to add 1 more there. We're getting close. And then 2. Okay, so then we are done. Okay, so to finish this row, okay, we are going to slip stitch, okay, in the 3rd chain. Okay, so you are going to do that, okay, just continue. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3 rows, okay, you just have to flatten it, okay, and then after that you are going to make this 3 double crochet in the same space, and then chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, chain 2, skip 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, skip 2, wait, sorry, no, you don't have to skip, we don't have to chain, okay, sorry. Okay, so what will gonna happen, okay, with the next row, okay, so 1, we finished the 2nd row, okay, to the next one, okay, so if we are going to start, okay, so we're going to start here, okay, and the next, okay, chain 3, and the next is double crochet in the next, and then the next is 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and 1, 2, 3, okay, double crochet in each stitch. So three chains, okay, that we have to put one double crochet, one double crochet, one double crochet, and then the next, okay, we have to put two double crochet in the same stitch, and then 1 2 3 again, okay, one double crochet in each stitch and two double crochet in the same stitch, 1 2 3 again, and 2 1 2 3 again, and 2 1 2 3 until you finish, okay. And then with this one here, okay, I'm going to show you guys, okay. So with this row here, okay, so we are going to chain 3, okay, and in the same space here, okay, we are going to put 3 double crochet, okay. We are not going to chain, okay, we are just going to skip, okay. So we have our chain 3 and 2 double crochet, we are going to skip 2, and then in the third, okay, we are going to make 3 double crochet, 3, okay, and then skip 2, and then the third chain 3 double crochet, okay. As at the same time, okay, you are going to keep an eye, okay, if it is bulky, okay, you have to adjust, okay. So that is how you do it. So we have 3 rows, okay, of just double crochet, and then we have 3 rows, okay, and with 3 double crochet in the same space, and then 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and sorry, 3 double crochet, skip 2, okay. So 3 double crochet, skip 2, 3 double crochet in the same space, skip 2, 3 double crochet, no chains on the top, okay. So just 3 double crochet. As you can see here, we just put 3 double crochet, skip 2 here, skip 2 chain, 3 double crochet in the same space, and then skip 2 chains, no chain in here, no chain needed, okay. So that is how I made these, guys, okay. And you can make it bigger, okay, you can make it smaller, okay. You can make the whole thing just this double crochet, or you can make this the first one, the first row, okay. You can change into this the whole row, okay. We just have to start from here and then change this one around, okay. So you can play around, okay, you can play around, and there you go. This is how I made it, and I will put into the description box how to crochet the flower and how to crochet the leaves, okay. Thank you very much, guys, and I hope you like this video. If you do, please leave us a thumbs up and share this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, if you wanted to, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time I will upload a new videos. And thank you very much for your support, and until the next video, bye.